Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Beautiful sunny blue sky day. Snow and ice is melting. I just got a foot full of it. I'm over here. Oh, solar power is pumping. I can't even see my camera. I'm over here. I just washed this. I used a green scrubby and I aggressively scrubbed it to rough up the paint, and then I used a towel to dry it, and I hope to get 2 more coats of paint on this today. Well, the weather permits. And then hopefully tomorrow is going to be a little warmer. It's 41 to 43 degrees today. Tomorrow is going to be hopefully 55, hopefully higher, but cloudy. So tomorrow I'm going to get the other sides coated, and then this will be done. And the next day I hope to put it together, weather permitting. We just had a massive snowstorm yesterday. You wouldn't know it, would you? Look at this. We can go fishing in our front yard now. Look at that. But we had a lot of snow come down, and now it's going away. So I'm going to get to it. I got a can here. I can't see anything. I hope you saw that. I'm going to get some painting done. Well, there's one coat, and in an hour I'll come back and hit it with the 3rd and final coat, and that'll be it for today. I'll take you inside and show you something that arrived in the mail. Got a package in the mail. This is my final. Yeah, no, it'll never be final, hopefully. This is the 2nd shipment. And I got some new stuff here today for y'all. Hopefully, some exciting stuff for most of you. So, we got here a lot of gold panning equipment. We got some extra things here. We've got a magnet. That's for picking up the black sands and making it easier to get your gold out. That's a very important thing. There's 3 of them. Very helpful tool to have. And I've got one of these I'm keeping. I've got some brushes. These are for getting the dirt, the black sands, and the gravels and the gold out of the crevices and cracks in bedrock. It's a rock brush. It's supposed to be a stiff bristle. And I've got a couple heavier duty scoops. I did get me one to try out, and I think I got must be one extra to sell. I've only got one. I'm experimenting with some of this stuff here. That is a nice scoop. So I'm going to experiment with it. It's very thick and heavy. It's definitely not going to break anytime soon. And see how well they perform. I've got here some little boxes. I'm not sure what's in the little boxes. Ah yes, very important for gold panning. A jeweler's loop, 10 times magnification. I got some of them for sale. I've got a couple classifiers. Now, these are, what did I get? 1/4 inch, or 1/8 inch. These, I got the medium small mesh. This will get your gravels out and allow your finer stuff to fall into your pan. One, it makes gold panning easier. I promised you guys I will do a video on that very soon here. I've got all the way down to 50 and 100 mesh, which is 50 to 100 holes per inch. Pretty fine stuff. I've got a 50 and 100. I'm not sure which is which at first glance. Anyway, this is pretty much what you could use, what is recommended. But you can also use a dollar store kitchen tool, which is what I use actually quite heavily here when I'm out in the field, because it goes in my kit, and I'll cover that because I'm putting together a beginner's kit for people. These are all accessory upgrades, but the beginner's kit will be a separate video all on its own when the store is ready, which it almost is. So I got a couple classifiers. Alright, I got some more of those gold pans these are nice size pans, very nice size, with the water funnel, the water chamber. I got a bunch of these. These are upgrades and extras. One gold pan is never enough. You will find that out. You will learn. You always want more. I've got a mess of these scale weighing boats to put your gold in on the scale. I've got a whole mess of them I'll have up on the store. I've got, these are for my gold pan kits. Everybody's going to get 2 of these. They're called tweezers. They're like a water tweezer. Everybody's going to get 2 of them in their kit. I've got the sniffer bottles. Everybody's going to get one of them in their gold panning kit. But I'll be doing a whole video on that separately here on the kit. I just wanted to share with you my final order before I make the store live is these items here that I just received in the mail. So stay tuned for that kit. It's going to be really cool and exciting. The complete gold panning kit. It will be a separate video all on its own. Anyway, I'm going to get back outside where it's beautiful and sunny. The snow has receded greatly today, and we have a swamp out here. I got the last coat of paint on, but I wasn't pleased with the second paint can. There was a very odd, I don't know if I can show it on camera, if I can see it. There's an odd, I have no idea how this shows, I can't see. There's white specks that sprayed out of the paint can. I don't know if, I can't see my camera, but all along here, there were white specks that sprayed out of the paint camera. I can't see if, yeah, I think you can see it, yeah. So, I have to take the cans back. I shook it and shook it and shook it. Chris, obviously, from YouTube, he said it means it was frozen at one time, and not in my possession it wasn't. He figures, oops, sorry. He figures in the warehouse at the store where I got it. So I'm going to have to redo this. Where's my finger? Where's my finger? Here. I'm going to have to redo this. It didn't work out. Yeah, so I got to get replacement paint. So I'm going to be set back a little bit on this. Something white. Yeah, Chris says it was frozen. There's specks, white specks all over on the on this. So that second can I bought is junk. So, to be continued.